So as you can see behind me, I already started this fall renovation project in the backyard here. And I had certain areas where it was just covered with, ivy, which is your creeping Charlie. And then it's got some violet. I had a little bit of crabgrass thrown in there, some henbit, and a little bit of dandelion, but not too bad. So it was really contained to specific areas, but it started getting bigger and started spreading. And I just got tired of the same process and, spot treating and specific herbicides. I know you can get some good ones, mesotrione, tenacity. There's a couple other ones, speed zone, T-zone. Those are good ones. But like I said, I just didn't want to have to buy anything else. These mosquitoes are bad because I already had glyphosate. I have a ton of it. So I figured, you know what? I'm just going to spray those areas. If it kills the grass underneath, so be it. It's fine. I can just kill all the roots and not have to worry about it spreading anymore. So I want to show you the progress. I have about, I don't know, maybe about 10 piles so far. So what I did today, took my dethatching rake and I just raked all this crap up, right? So I sprayed the glyphosate about a week ago and these spots were dying off pretty good. So I wanted to, get a hold of this project now before it gets too late in the summer and I just, don't feel like doing it. So, especially before fall comes, right? Perfect growing season. So, as you can kind of see, most of this is a lot of this is creeping Charlie. And I wish I would have put some surfactant, a couple drops of dish soap or a specific surfactant product in the glyphosate because it would help stick better to these specific leaves. Because they're kind of a waxier coat on them, but it's going to kill everything underneath anyways. So really impressed with the progress I have. I know it looks kind of like crap right now, but a lot of times if you want it to look good, you got to make it look worse first, right? So, and it probably looks worse because I have clumps of debris and dead grass and dead matter, a little bit, probably not really too much thatch buildup. But so these are the spots that I have, and I'm just gonna prep the soil well. I'm gonna get the drill out and really aerate these specific areas with my spade bit because they're very small. I mean, well, this is probably, I don't know, maybe 4 square feet. So yeah, I mean, it's not gonna take too long. Some of the spots are a little bit bigger than others, but I need to get a good quality seed. I'm gonna get some topsoil, something that can, withstand this has a lot of shade right here. These spots do. So maybe a quality bluegrass turf type tall fescue and perennial rye mix. So, and then I'm gonna water that a couple times a day. So I'm gonna probably start that fairly soon. I don't want it to be super hot as I start this, but a couple other spots here. This was pretty bad, but yeah, I'll just prep it the right way and do a thorough job with it. So a couple other areas here that are really bad. And then for the ones that are kind of spread out here, I mean, like most of them was contained, like I said, but there are still some areas here I'm probably gonna just dig up by hand with a small landscaping little mini rake or something. So, and then maybe seed those areas too, but not too worried about it. So just want to get it looking good again. And then over here, you can kind of see I had some crabgrass build up right here along these pavers. So I sprayed it pretty good and it really just annihilated it. So did a good job. This area gets a lot of crap, so, but that's what I have going on and that's my next, project. So let me know what you guys have as far as your fall plans. I don't know if you guys are going to be overseeding, aerating, maybe doing some scalping. I really don't know. So let me know what you have going on and then stay tuned for more videos. So we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.